We will be investigating the calibration of the max flow of the Ender 3 V3 KE. Sometimes the speed of the printer is misleading. In my opinion, we should be careful with the max flow rates. Contrary to the paper printers, 3D printers, we are printing in 3D. So 3D means volume, not speed, and speed is linear. And with linear, I mean one dimension. That's why we are doing this video. Now I will be showing you the parameters or the setup that I used to do this calibration. Here is the flow rate swap that I used for this calibration, going from 5 millimeter cube per second and till 35 millimeter cube per second. And here we see the speed gradient that is automatically calculated by the printer to vary the flow rate, because the width and the height of the lines are constant. That's what we see in the screen now. And here we will see the temperature, so 220 degrees Celsius for the tests. If you want to take a look at the estimation of the time, the cost, and the weights of the calibration that we performed just now, you can make a pause on the video and take a look at the numbers. And here we see the results of the tests. We see clearly that this printer is capable of printing up to 30 millimeter cube per second under the condition that we used in the test. If you like the content of this video and want to follow the updates, subscribe, like the video, share, comment, select the notification button, and see you next time. Goodbye!